Guys, earlier I had released some videos on some topics of Microsoft Windows operating system, which were basically on Excel, Word, and there were some videos on Python and some on Java. I never thought of making a channel out of which I will be monetizing the video. So this video which I am currently trying to demonstrate to you guys, it is also not being a part of monetizing. I mean, I am not thinking of monetizing or getting some revenue out of the video I am making. You can take this video as a sample of for myself at later point of time if I tend to forget, or in one place you can get some instructions, some programming tips. So what this particular video is all about? This particular video is about Python, and if I am being asked, or if you are being asked, that what is Python and what is it? So Python is a dynamically typed object-oriented programming language. So that's one line answer for Python. And when you are being asked that what do we mean by dynamic typing refers to, it means that the variables are being decided, or the type of the variables are being decided at runtime and not during writing of the variable. So this will be the number one. This is the number one video of the playlist I am going to create. That is Python, and by dynamic typing. And then what do I mean by dynamic typing? I will be demonstrating you with an example by moving into online GDB compiler. And in the second video, I will be discussing on some data types, that what are the data types we are having in Python, and also I will be demonstrating that how to get, I mean how to recognize of all these data types. Also, I would like to add that this particular uh, theory material which I have self-written, this particular theory material, I will be pushing it into the GitHub repo for your reference if you wish to see them. So now comes the topic that Python is a dynamically type object-oriented programming language, and it decides the data type during runtime. So what do we mean by it? So if I move to online GDB compiler, and here if I write some program, okay, so let me first of all refresh the page so that the earlier instance of the program which I was writing, it gets cleared out. Now see, if I say that a is equal to 10, and after that if I write print type, and then I say a, and if I run this program in the console, you in the C type a, okay, invalid syntax, perhaps forgot a comma. Okay, so type a is not being written like this, type a. So let me make the screen a little bit bigger also. Okay, so that's not working. Control plus, yeah, this looks fine for me. Okay, let me increase the console a little bit, and let me run the program and see what is the output. Class int. So see, a is equal to 10. When I am printing that print type a, it is saying that class int. In a similar fashion, if I write a equals to hello, and if I run the program, it says class str. In the same way, we have a data type such as boolean. So boolean is written in this way, true. The boolean value is to be written in caps. The T should be in caps, that is capital letter. If I run the program, it will be saying that bool. And there is another data type which is float, 2.3. If I run the following program and say type a, it will be saying float. So like other programming languages like Java, we do not have integer, big int, integer, or double float. We have the int, we have the data type of float, and we have the data type of str. Str is for string. So this is what I meant for dynamic typing. Means at the runtime, the data type of that particular variable will be assigned. And if you ask me what is a variable is simply a memory location in the hard disk where the user stores some value to perform some operation. So that's all for this short video. I will be posting another video right after this, and I will be discussing that why it is not a purely object oriented programming, why Python is not a purely object oriented programming. Then afterwards I will be moving into what are list and what are tuples. So thank you guys, and thanks for watching till the end of this video. Happy coding guys, and see you next for the next video. Thank you.